Hi, this is Luke from Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Subaru XV, stock number 6244. This ran from the 8th 2011 to the 10th 2013. It has an FB 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SB 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maker tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maker tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 17-inch factory alloy maker tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,